Like, you know, the shape of the vagina. Look, look. Morning. I don't have my camera right here, but it's 8 o'clock already. I was awake at like 6. It's nice outside right now. Yeah, it's nice outside.
Does it film by itself?
Huh? Yeah, it's filming right now.
It's filming already? Okay. Is that my phone that's in your way?
No.
Oh.
I need that easy a little bit. Just very light. Still tell me to close it. They are open over there.
Yeah, they are. And that's a different car.
Oh, that's always there. I think that's her sister. I don't know.
Oh.
Maybe it's a family.
It didn't close?
It's closed already.
Oh. I didn't hear it, that's why.
Okay, I'm gonna reply Tommy because he just kept texting. But every time I leave the dog, I just don't like leaving them. Because they show emotion, they show that they're sad.
Yeah.
Especially Roxy's face.
Yeah. Well, they always do. They like to have everybody
Company.
there. She's got some flowers.
Her flowers is growing, guys. Look.
Hmm?
It's growing. Before the last time we came here, this is still a baby.
Yeah.
But this is a weird flower mix.
Yeah, it's pretty because it's mixed. You get, you know, and there's a... Oh.
That's Andrea's phone. Ringing over there.
Yeah.
Angelo's outside. Andito kami ngayon. Naghintay lang kami sa sister-in-law ko kasi naliligo pa siya. Yung husband niya naglulun mo or nagcleaning ng ano. Look. Oh, I like their lawnmower. Look at that. You don't have, you ride it. It's not like flowing, like, you know, walking. I really want to cut my hair too, but
Oh, maybe she'll do it for you.
yes, you have to make appointment.
Well, we'll see.
Mm.
If she's not busy, she might do it for you.
Because it's so dry here.
Mm.
Because this is the area that I keep coloring. Remember, I color my hair all the time, black, and then color another color, and then go back to black.
Yeah.
So it end up so dry. But let's see. But I have to color it again because look, my hair is a lot of gray already. You don't see it?
No, I don't.
No, they have a lot of gray. I don't know. It's like,
You could be getting gray at your age.
like how many is that? Look,
I don't see any white in here.
right here. Look at it.
Oh, up on the top.
Grow?
Yeah,
It was just all green and looked like,
yeah. I know. I remember. It's so green.
yeah, but I mean, this is not really for front of the house. Let me see the back though. Let's see.
You know, it's like a rainbow, but it's small. It's small flowers, but it's like different kind of colors.
I don't know. I thought they were like the little flowers that you buy.
Oh, look at that.
Don't
But,
you? Don't,
yeah, it
wouldn't
looks
you think-
different. Look,
Yeah.
it looks different.
Yeah, wouldn't you think they were little flowers like you bought? That
Yeah.
pink color? That's what I thought.
Wait, you keep this is still, you still have more?
Yeah.
Why you don't do your thing?
Well, because it's late now in the season.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, maybe they grow, but on anything. And then there was like one blue one. There was no orange ones. There was a bunch of pink ones and like one blue one. And
No,
now
there's a lot of now.
Oh, I know, but now there are. But before there's just like one. Remember I sent you a picture?
Yeah,
Look at that picture. I think there might be like one blue one that I bought.
Yeah.
I pulled it out around the bush, but I don't know. It's still pretty tight. I forget what he said. I think he did say. Oh no, he said he would call or. When we were growing up, and this was not the Philippines, there were restrooms. My father wouldn't stop. He used to carry a coffee can. He'd make you get out of the car and pee in the coffee can.
That's what I told the Tommy Han. Why don't you use a water bottle? You have a lot in your
For a
side.
guy, it's a little different. For a female, it's
For a female, that's. Oh, you know what? There is a lot in advertise now everywhere. There is like like you know the shape of the vagina. What? And then they put like that. It's like this. You slide and then to hold to put the vagina in, and then it's a hole in the center, and it's like a penis. So when you pee, you just stand up. You just stand up and put it, and then when you pee, it's safe because it's not dripping under you. It's gonna like a vagina.
You've been looking at Mom's magazines, haven't you?
No, it's in everywhere. It's in.
Oh, he's coming in now. He's upstairs.
Come on. You hear his little meow?
Yeah.
Little meow. Come on, you want to come inside?
Look at that. What kind of food you give them?
Just friskies.
He's a regular cat.
Yeah, I know, but there's different kind of.
Yeah, they, you know.
Look at her cat.
And he's got all those mats in him.
Yeah.
A lot.
Well, she's outside. Oh, he is outside all the
Yeah.
time.
She looks possessed, right? Like somebody's taking her
She
over.
does, yeah.
Yeah.
But she is the prettiest cat. Like the color is amazing. Look at that face.
She saw a bug.
Look at
Oh,
that
big
face.
bug.
Oh, big one. Look at that eyes. It's scary, oi! Don't look at me.
Doesn't she look like she's gonna like kill you?
Oh.
Well, she doesn't chase much.
No, she doesn't.
Well, I mean, not like she used to.
Well, she doesn't
birds
even
and
look like
squirrels.
old to me.
She doesn't, but she is. She's like 9.
She doesn't. Look
She
like
slowed down a lot. I'm telling you, when she was little, she
really she's
scary.
everywhere.
Watch her climb trees. You'd be scared to death because you knew you couldn't go up there and help her. At least she could get to her back and clean herself. Freddie can't.
Yeah. I think Dimple's more old looking than her.
No.
Look at that. She's so cute. She look like my grandpa. I'm just kidding. That's my cell phone, hoy. That's my cell phone. Zoe.
Look. So they didn't go to the party dressed. Gotcha. So did he have a good time?
Hi. Hi. So pretty. Look at that. Hi, Freddy. Hi, Fred. Look at the other one, guys, under the car. These cats, especially this one, ano siya, outsider. She loves to be outside. Like Freddy. Look at the other one, guys. Freddy the cat. Freddy the cat. Ain't that the Freddy cat? Freddy the cat. Oh, Freddy the cat. Ang mata niya, guys. Nakakatakot, di ba? As in.
So we should give you his money for his birthday?
Ay, naku. Tabangi ko, ginoo. Tabangi ko, ginoo ko. May kausap, may anak niya, kausap niya. So, gutom na ko. Pero hindi pa ako makakain kasi magkausap pa yung isa. Ay, naku talaga. He! Maglo-lost weight ako nito. Tapusin mo na yung kausap mo. I'm gonna lose weight here. Magniwang ko ani. Pagniwag, bababa yung timbang ko, guys. It's already 8 o'clock. Hindi pa ako kakain. At 7:30 pala. Hala. Hala. What are you looking, ma'am? In your cell phone. You have it in your cell phone.
Yeah, I was gonna say I should have it in my phone.
Yeah. Let's go. I'm going back in. Dun, guys. Punta na ako. Nandun siya sa sala eh. Nanonood ng ano. Kasi nanonood siya ng TV sa cellphone ko. Andyan siya.
What was that?
Stamping. What Roxy's? Do you wanna see Roxy?
Yeah.
Oh, Misty when she asks for forgiveness, like when I punish her. I have a video of that. Where's Misty?
Misty.
Oh, she's right there. Look how she asked for. She says sorry.
Aww.
He says
I'm
I'm
sorry,
sorry.
Mama.
Look. She's shaking that time. She's shaking already. You cannot just sit. Hi guys. Look at that bug. What are you crying, bug? Oh my god, you just keep crying. Don't cry, bug. Be happy. Be happy, please. Be happy. Where are you? Where are you? Ay, nako. Look at this bug. I will put you outside. Ay, nako. Anyway, guys. So, mag-i-edit lang ako at saka, well, this cat is making too much noise. You know, I just have to ignore it. Did I love you, no? I love you, baby. I love you, baby. You're looking for something to need, okay? I know you're needing. I know you miss your real mother. You do. You do. I'm sorry, Bob. Your mother is really bad mother. She can't take care of you. She cannot take care of you. That's why you're with me. I'm your stepmama. I love this man so much, guys. I love him so much. That's the thing about my cat. I can hug them, I can kiss them, I can... Oh shit, God bless you. Oh my god. God bless you, Bob. That's the thing about him. He's very tolerant, guys. I can do anything. He won't get mad. He won't hiss at me. He's so cute. He knows that he's not gonna get hurt from me. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Yeah, I will see you tomorrow. And yeah, so bukas na naman, guys. Magkita-kita tayo. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed in this channel, please do subscribe. And I appreciate it. Thank you guys. Bye. Good night, guys. Good night. He said, "Hi, God." I'm not looking. I'm just looking for what's new, but I'm not getting anything.